Donald Trump's real estate company was convicted on Tuesday of carrying out a 15-year-long criminal scheme to defraud tax authorities, adding to the legal woes facing the former US president as he campaigns for the office once again in 2024. The Trump Organization, which operates hotels, golf courses, and other real estate around the world, was found guilty of paying personal expenses for top executives, including former Chief Financial Officer Alan Weisselberg, and issuing bonus checks to them as if they were independent contractors.
Right now, Kalkine is offering a 7-day free trial on its premium research reports. Get access to data-driven market insights combined with an in-depth analysis on financial markets across the globe. Don't miss it. Subscribe for the free trial now.
The company faces up to $1.6 million in fines after being convicted on all charges, including scheming to defraud tax authorities, conspiracy, and falsifying business records. Trump was not charged in the case. Justice Juan Merchan, who presided over the trial in state court in New York, set a sentencing date for January 13. While the fine is not expected to be material for a company of the Trump Organization's size, the conviction could complicate its ability to do business. Weisselberg, 75, testified as the government's star witness as part of a plea deal that calls for a sentence of 5 months in jail. Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, whose office prosecuted the case, called the verdict very just. The former president's companies now stand convicted of crimes, Bragg said in the New York courthouse after the verdict, speaking of the Trump Corporation and Trump Payroll Corporation, the two units of the Trump Organization which were convicted. Bragg has said that the office's investigation into Trump is still continuing. Alan Furtefas, a lawyer of the Trump Organization, said the company would appeal and that the criminal law governing corporate liability was very vague. The jury deliberated for about 12 hours over 2 days. The case centered on charges that the company paid personal expenses like free rent and car leases for executives, including Weisselberg, without reporting the income, and gave them bonuses as non-employee compensation from other Trump entities like the Mar-a-Lago Club without deducting taxes. According to testimony during the 4-week trial, Trump himself signed the bonus checks annually, paid private school tuition for Weisselberg's grandchildren, authorized the lease for his luxury Manhattan apartment, and approved a salary deduction for another executive. Republican Trump, who on the 15th of November announced his third campaign for the presidency, said in a statement he was disappointed by the verdict but called the case a Manhattan witch hunt. Both Bragg and his predecessor who brought the charges, Cyrus Vance, are registered Democrats. So, what are your thoughts on the verdict? Do you believe the Trump Organization will win their appeal? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like and share the video. For more content, you can subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. I'm James Preston, reporting for Kalkine Media.